on February 22nd, 2025, a group of teens were enjoying a typical teenage day at the Columbia Mall. Then as they were waiting to go home at the bus stop right behind me, an individual fired on the group, killing 15-year-old Blake McCray and 16-year-old Michael Robertson. That individual was found to be 19-year-old Emmetson Zeah, who was found guilty of first-degree murder and 11 other offenses related to the shooting last Friday in Howard County Circuit Court following a 3-day bench trial. Central to the state's case was security camera footage from the RTA buses at the bus stop behind me. The footage showed the teen standing at the top of this stone staircase and looking down. Meanwhile, an individual in a maroon sweatshirt and an Adidas backpack walks up behind them, seemingly says something to the group before opening fire on them. The two teens who were shot were found at the bottom of the staircase and in the Lidl parking lot. On Friday, the final day of the trial, Zeah decided to testify himself to tell his version of the day's events. He said that when he got to the mall, he thought he saw his friends waiting in a group of teens. He then went to approach them, and when he went to approach them at the stone staircase, he saw two men dressed in all black standing at the bottom left of the stone staircase. He testified that they then shot at him, holding up a gun, and he shot back at them in fear and ran away. Prosecutors then said it was convenient that he was shot at by two men in the only spot that couldn't be seen by security cameras. They also said that no one else who testified, who were witnesses to the events, mentioned these two men. The judge also questioned Zeah's credibility and said his story was all over the place. She then found him guilty on 13 offenses relating to the shooting, including first-degree murder and first-degree assault. Zeah has a sentencing scheduled for May.